Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at Motion Unlimited. It is a outdoor car museum and also an indoor car museum here in Rapid City, South Dakota. Me and my wife were on a little bit of a vacation, and we had to stop here and check out all the old cars. There are some for sale outside. They do have some stuff for sale inside as well. Just a cool place to tour. It's $5 a person, tax included, to get inside the museum. The cars outside are free to look at. Very nice couple that owns this place. I asked if I could do a video here, and they said, "Oh, like Doloff Antiques?" Yep, just like him. I've been to his place in the past here, and he's a lot closer than I am, so if you guys can, definitely check this place out. Very, very cool. Lots of pedal cars, signs, engines, cars. Lots of cool stuff. If you're in the area, it's definitely worth the $5 to get in. Some license plates for sale.
Have you ever watched old school Mario in Texas?
Oh, I think so, yeah. Spanish guy on YouTube?
Yeah, little kind of jumping around.
This is a hell of a museum. He's got a nice location right off the highway. A lot of beautiful cars here. Some of my favorites would include this 60 sedan delivery, 60 Impala two-door hardtop, 57 Chevy wagon, well, sedan delivery, but the wagon platform, 62 Dodge 440. This one's a cool story. Here's the before and after shots of it. And a 59 El Camino. And all the bed trim is painted, which is pretty cool. On the other side here, got some vintage race cars. This one's got a Hemi in it. I asked about buying a sign, and he's wanting to sell all of the signs if he does sell them at one time. All the cars at one time, and all the pedal cars. Everything's kind of in their own lot. This 41 Lincoln is super cool. Only 1,250 coupes were made in 1941. I've got a Delco battery sign just like that. I found in a old estate auction in southern Kansas. What I like about this museum the best is they got all these advertisements that kind of show the cars, you know, this white horse van. Pretty cool when you actually see an advertisement of, you know, what it would have been used for back in the day. Pretty cool. It's 1940 white horse milk truck. Nice visible pump. It's a lot to take in at one time. The Oscar Mayer Wiener Mobile. I thought this was cool. 1929 calendar. Oh, look at that. 1929 is the same as 1985. And with that phone number, I bet that's an 85 calendar. Nonetheless, very, very cool. All right, let's head to the next portion of the building here. Display of spark plugs. I also love to have this Texaco sign. This is an airplane car. '46 Ford sedan delivery, all restored. This is a '33 Dodge sedan delivery, also all restored. '40 Ford Coupe and a '30 Ford, what do they call this, a drag racer? 1970s era drag race car with a Hemi. My wife thought this one was pretty cool. 1925 Studebaker motorhome. There's the before condition. And here it is, all restored. The original ISK cam sticker, pretty cool. 60 El Camino with 61 Impala steering wheel inside of it. 67 Olds 442. I love this color on the 64 Bonneville convertible. Here's a '47 Lincoln Continental convertible, 201 built. $4,474, brand new in 1947. '46 Ford convertible. And to finish this out, we have a Ford Falcon Gasser. It's a 1962. Alrighty, let's head outside and look at some of the cars that are right now for sale. If anyone's interested, there's a swap meet coming up. Central State Fairgrounds, Rapid City, 10 to 5 on Sunday, September 7th. Come check it out. All right, it's not gonna open any hoods, doors, nothing like that. It's written on about every car here. If you guys see something you're interested in, feel free to call them and they'll give you guys all the information you need. Very nice people. She was telling me that they have a broker as well that they ship a lot of cars with. So if you guys need a car shipped, they can probably hook you up with a good one or a good shipper to move one of these cars. And inventory is always moving, so you definitely don't want to wait. 59 Olds, Super 88, four-door hardtop, also known as a flat top. They do have a website as well. So check out the website for more information. 2 Lincoln Continentals. These are awesome looking cars. Got a 52 Hudson Wasp. Big 4-door sedan, bathtub design. They're very unique, just not super collectible, but there is the niche following for them. Rambler Ambassador 4-door sedan. Four-door Nova. Third gen Camaro. Don't know what year. This car is cool. It's a 59 Olds 98 flat top, so it's the bigger, longer, more expensive car. 98 was top of the line. Does have power windows that I can see. Don't know if it has a power seat or not. But no electronic eye. '54 Ford. This car is nice. A little bit of rust in the rockers and the front fenders. Not too bad though. Do you want to be on camera? This Merc coupe on wide whites is super cool. Be an awesome hot rod for someone. Thunderbird, not sure, 58, 59, 60. This would be a 49 Chevy because of the turn signals where they're located. Nice dry car. And a 48 Packard. It's a big 4-door as well with the bathtub, the bathtub design. All right, let's check out a couple trucks here quick as well. Like I told you guys, right off the interstate. So very convenient. I've never seen a 292 badge. It's Someone tell me if that's factoring on this on the C20. K10 Silverado, 4-wheel drive. '64 to '66 Chevy truck. This is cool, an old milk van or an old bread van. Can make that into a cool old hot rod. GMC pickup, I think 41 or 46. Dually, probably 1.5 ton. C10 short box. Another short box, but someone's added the OBS 1500 emblems to it. And we'll check out the last row of cars here and head on out. All right, here's the last row of cars currently for sale. I love the patina on this Cadillac. Matador X. If anyone knows what the X stands for, let me know down below in the comments. Chrysler Windsor Deluxe 2-door hardtop. This is a Chrysler 300 that's under the tarp. Everyone knows what this is, 55 Nomad. She definitely needs some love. But very rare car. Very desirable. Ford Coupe. I think this is a Sunliner. That's what they call them with the factory sunroofs. This one's cool, it's an old gasser. All right, everyone, so that's the end of the video for today. Like I said, I'm here at Motion Unlimited, Rapid City, South Dakota. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up. Comment your favorite car of the bunch. I would say mine are the 60 Impalas or the 59 El Camino inside, or the 59 Oldsmobiles that are out here for sale. Very nice couple. Really cool museum. If you're in the area, definitely stop by. Lots of cool signs, cool cars, pedal cars, all that good stuff. So with that being said, this is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and I'll see you guys in the next video.